let's make this one part 5 na to eh. Part 5. Ganyan na lang guys. Ganyan. So, challenge. Drink this all. Kasi may nagsabi, challenge. Drink all. All of it pag mag-challenge ka ng drinking. Ay, pag mag-drink ka mag-vlog. Bagong ligo pala ako.
I'm like not even stressed about time, Daniel. It's like this where I'm like,
Minsan, mag-challenge. Go guys. Ay mo go. Ito kasi yung nilagay ko. Pag nakatry na kayo nito, mag-like, share, comment na kayo kasi
this one's for you. This one's for you, girl. Just know, Daniel, wherever you are, if you're watching this, you always got a seat at our table. You could be here right now, brother. This could be you.
bye, super good. Like and share, subscribe nito. Pag gusto nyo to, bigyan ko kayo ulit. Ito. Sige, may pera niya ako 10,000.
Marshmallow. What does that even mean? I feel like throughout life, friends have come and gone, and people I was really close to at one point have drifted away. I just hope that person is Daniel. Gorgon will always work to find him. You know, but it just doesn't really make sense to not reach out to someone in a year. Do you have feelings about that? I do. I thought we had a stronger bond. That I'm trying to remind is that you always gotta give people the benefit of the doubt. We don't really know what's going on until we talk to them. We don't know the full story and we can't assume. Yeah, so our journey for searching for Daniel continues.